What's up guys, this is Andy here with Ultimate iDevice Vids, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a new Cydia tweak called Akri. This is available for $1.99, and basically what this tweak allows you to do is it allows you to launch your favorite applications from your lock screen in a new way. So there are various tweaks in Cydia that allow you to do this, but this is definitely a different way of doing it. So basically when you're on your lock screen, as opposed to sliding from left to right, of course to unlock your device, you swipe the other way from right to left. And as you guys can see, we have the ability to access certain applications. Of course, you could customize which applications will show up here, and of course you could just tap on any of these apps you configure, and as you can see, that will launch the application just like that. In the settings application for the tweak, you could go into the preferences panel, and of course you want to go into configuration, and here's where you could configure everything. So of course up at the top you have the ability to enable or disable the tweak completely. Then you have the Respring option, which is required to apply changes. So basically if you want to add an app, what you need to do is select the select an app button down here, and then this will provide a list of all the apps on your device. And basically if you want an app, let's just say we're going to add the iBooks app. So we select the app, we go back, and then we select add, and that's going to be added to this list at the bottom. And as you guys can see, you could add unlimited applications to here. And of course if you want to delete an app, just click the minus, click delete, and there you go. And of course it will show up in the order that it shows up here. So if you want to rearrange them, you could just drag the handles like this to rearrange. And there is a passcode option. I'll talk about what that does in a little bit, but to apply the changes, you want to make sure you select respring, then yes, then your device will respring. Alright, so now my device is finished respringing. We're just going to slide over, and as you guys can see, there you go. All the changes took an effect, all the rearranging that I did, everything. As you guys can see, I have the new iBooks app here. And again, to launch any of these apps, you just tap on them, and they open right up just like that. Very simple. So now in terms of the passcode settings, I'm just going to talk to you guys about that. I'm just going to go ahead and enable a passcode on my device so I can show you guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just enabled a passcode on my device. So, as you can see, by default, when you have a passcode with this tweak, you can't actually use it. When you tap on the applications, they just don't open. To actually make this tweak work with a passcode, you have to go into settings. I'm just going to show you guys how this works. And we're just going to dive into Akri, configuration, and then we're going to scroll down to passcode. And basically what you want to do is just type out your passcode in here. So I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then you want to go back. Then you want to go back into configuration. Then you'll see the passcode there. Hit respring, yes, and then it's going to work after this. Alright, so now my device is back up, and of course, as you can see, I still have the passcode, but when I tap on the applications, as you can see, they open up without the passcode. But when I press the home button, as you can see, the device just locks, so the person can't access other information on my device. They could just access the application that they tapped on. So of course that is still a security risk. They could still get into those applications obviously, but as you guys can see, of course it locks right after you push the home button. Now keep in mind, it's not the most secure thing, because of course as you guys can see, if I normally try to double tap the home button, it does lock, as you can see, so that's secure. But if you use a tweak like OXO to just slide up to get to the app switcher, as you guys can see, I could still get in there. I could still, get into the home screen just like this, as you can see. But the upside is when I tap to launch an app, as you can see, it just locks. So it doesn't seem to be the most secure thing with the passcode, lockout, but with that being said, it's better than nothing. But hopefully the, passcode security with this tweak is improved upon, with future updates to the tweak. Once again, this tweak's called Akri. It's available in Cydia for $1.99. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. I actually really like this tweak. It's just another choice, for launching apps from the lock screen. It's always good to have a variety. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for many more videos on Cydia tweaks, jailbreak coverage, and some iOS coverage as well. Also make sure to follow the channel on Twitter, like it on Facebook, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'll put all those links down below in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.